What's really interesting is the proliferation of the open source models, which I did not expect. When this was first coming out, I really suspected that you could only build these large language models if you had $1 billion in hardware. That was just the only way you could do it. In fact, when Microsoft invested into OpenAI, which really unlocked them to build what they built, I think they invested like $1 billion, and 90% of it was just in Azure tokens, because Azure is a Microsoft server farm. It's like the equivalent of Google Cloud. And I thought that, yeah, you can build smaller models on smaller hardware, obviously. So only the big players would actually be advancing the field, at least in our current technology, with our current S-curve. But it turns out there's a lot of efficiencies that you could gain. The open source community, with the innovations from Chinchilla and LoRa and a few other innovations, the open source community has gotten way more advanced than I ever would have predicted. It's really interesting to see the David versus the Goliath, the open source guys, to be gaining ground. I hope we don't regulate them out of existence, but it's really exciting to watch.